We may have lost this battle, but this was just the beginning. There will be many more when we will have to rise up to give a tough fight. Whenever there will be a mention of India's independence, Azad Hind Fauj shall always find a place in golden letters.
After the Battle of Anfar and Kohima, a momentous chapter in our crusade for independence came to a tragic end. Unfortunately, it led to the end of Netaji's campaign. Despite the many sacrifices from Karachi to Kolkata in 1946, the British were haunted by Netaji's legacy. The war that Netaji and the Indian National Army waged against the British eventually led to India's freedom on 15th August 1947. Indians will remain eternally grateful for Netaji's immense contribution to India's independence.
पहले चल देते हैं ना।